Thank you very much.
Honorable, look straight. Look straight. You're doing well.
Carrego. Now, if I'm if I'm politics, Abu Hokamo, Mwego Menwebe. Come on, now can lot of all individually. Mna through the contribution of Umi now our foundation, Apoli both love themselves charity foundation. Hallelujah. Which man are the only place I can do with deliver of Mabogene with government power. Now the matter of government does it. If you know so and you wait to buy, I can vow now that they want to take an emergency ambulance to save a pregnant mother and one or the hope. And how can you be representing your people in federal house and there will be no ambulance? They're going to get an ambulance. How much is ambulance? They're going to get an ambulance. Now you cannot provide common 10 or 15 ambulance in a local government in about 20 wards. What is holding every ward in that local government in with their own ambulance? So now I'm going to bogene. Kono man no ihadiri. No. But you have balankiti when I because neighbor government again keti bulonye ga nwa gene on week. Kita obramu ane je munu no so emegini. Kai je emego mi ana bu memeku ozo. Ibia no so one ben nam I can assure you today na enweho any single hospital na function of ma ka ebe mmadu bi. So gini ka ina ekwu na through your support na Muhammad Isaac Ejiofor ga-eje that federal house ma nọchitu na ọfụma ma were oke nke unu wenatara unu ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mma n'aha Chukwu okike abịa.
You don't win. You don't win.
Thank you.
Nothing will stop you. Nothing will stop you.